In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Kokusen in Jujutsu Beatdown. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enter Kokusen or the Black Flash state. So as you can see, all of my moves are enhanced, I'm able to awaken my true strength, and I have all of these effects all around me. So basically, in Jujutsu Beatdown, for you to enter Black Flash mode, all that you have to do is keep pressing E. Every time that you press E, you will see some blue particles from your hands. This is a standard cursed energy hit. Now, if you keep pressing E randomly, you will be able to get a black flash. So all that you have to do is keep pressing E, and eventually, instead of seeing the usual blue sparks, you will see red sparks. This is what you are looking for. Immediately, when you see the red sparks, you have to hit an opponent. It can be a dummy, so in this example here, I am using a dummy to show you this, and as long as you hit the enemy immediately after pressing E and seeing the red sparks instead of the blue, you will enter Black Flash. You will see the Black Flash text appear on your screen, and now you are ready to access all of its moves. You will notice that your agility will be enhanced, and your moves will have more flashy and special attacks. So all that you have to do is keep spamming E until eventually you are able to get inside of a Black Flash or Kokusen. Make sure that you are prepared to hit an opponent, and then keep pressing E to get into the Black Flash mode. You will stay there for a while, so as long as you are able to time your attack properly, you will be able to enter and stay however much you like. So keep pressing E to channel your cursed energy and then hit an opponent immediately after seeing the red particle effects. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Kokusen in Jujutsu Beatdown. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.